I wear PJs. I got you, baby. I-kiss niyo naman ako. No one wants to kiss me. If I don't have asthma, guys, I could have done so much or more things. I'm gonna do jumping jacks. I'm gonna flip upside down. Even if I have air conditioner, I still get sweat. Goodbye, hello. Elbow. Kaya na pa oras sa pagkadiri. Some cold? What do you mean cold? Like an ice? I don't have headache. I just have cough. Like a dry cough. Hoy, Charlie, hindi nga ako makapag-jumping jack. Talaga. I have humidifier. Ay, hindi pala yun yung humidifier air. Something. Ito. Wait lang ah. Paano ba to? Ito. Yan. Ayan na. Ano yan? Hindi. Hindi siya L-filter. Dehumidifier, meron yan? I also have nasal spray. Uy, naglola remedios na din ako, hindi pa rin. Pag allergic ka kasi, hindi kasi to ano talaga. Kahit chinat-chat ko pa. Ang dami ko na ito, tanduay, beer, mojito, malior vodka, Jack Daniels, Black Label. I think the pharmacy will not allow me to buy the medicine if I don't have any prescription. Cough drops. What's that? I already tried all of the antibiotics. Like I tried the